Kia ora, good morning, good Monday morning. I am Micro Markets, and I am a freeloader. Yeah, I got on the train this morning with an expired monthly pass. Ugh, no one wants to be that guy. Anyway, what everyone wants, though, I assume, is this. Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Yeah, okie dokie. So, the weekend. Heading into Saturday morning, the Saturday morning close, which of course inches us a little closer to the US presidential election. It was really more of the same from the financial markets. Mixed performances, hefty swings in sentiment, but ultimately with a bit of a skew against risk assets and in favour of perceived safe havens. Yeah. Positioning, effectively, is what it boils down to. The market is positioning itself or gearing itself up after that looming risk event Wednesday lunchtime for us here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. That is when the US election results will start trickling in. Noon, I think, yeah. Anyway, back to the weekend. That's that way. Throwing some numbers into the mix. The Kiwi, choppy. Yeah, trading a range of about 66 to 66.7. Hefty swings there. But, the bird ultimately finished near the bottom of that range. But above the 66-cent mark. Just, yeah. Other currencies, the swings, they weren't as wild against the US dollar, but they all mostly slipped into the close. So, major Kiwi crosses this morning, they don't really look materially different to where we left them on Friday. Our semi-famous and semi-fabulous first-hand tables, they'll have all those ranges. The highs, the lows, everything you need to start your Monday. Yeah. Equity markets, the same, kinda. Yeah, mixed, some hefty swings, ultimately negative. European equities, kinda less so. They finished flat-ish on the balance. But US markets, yeah, they started falling pretty much the moment that they opened. Were very choppy, and that's pretty much what pulled the Kiwi off its 66.71 high. NASDAQ, so the tech sector, hit the hardest. Yeah. So that was the weekend as at the close. Post-close, we had more election headlines. An emphatic all-black victory. It was very good. But yeah, the big attention grabber was Boris Johnson announcing a month-ish long lockdown for England. Now, the announcement, not totally surprising, but also a bit surprising because it wasn't even 2 weeks ago that Boris J said another national lockdown just wouldn't make sense. I mean, you can't hold that against anyone as situations evolve, and you've got to roll with them. Or you must, if inclined, roll along with those punches. It sounds a little more like how he might say it, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, laughing at myself. Today we might see a bit of noise, movement, volatility in the pound. What else? In case you missed it previously, you can click on a box thing. I think it's going to be down here somewhere. If you want to see me present a webinar on some of the ins and outs of currency markets with regard to Wednesday's election. Yeah, it's a little longer than markets in a minute. Not much, but a little. But it does have pictures and probably a very limited shelf life. It won't be as interesting after Wednesday. So yeah, check that out if you want. Maybe even try and convince your compliance manager that it's worthy of CPD inclusion, continuous professional development hours. Yeah, I personally don't necessarily endorse that view, but hey, good luck. Yeah. No major data today, so have a great Monday. Kia pai tō rā.